What's up? It's Tunchi here, the Crazy L55, and I'm about to play my ringtone. Yeah, this is the ringtone. Everyone who calls me, this is the ringtone, which it rings to my phone. I really love this song so much. So let me play it for you guys. You listen to the track.
You know what you're wanting, waiting for something that you have already. You should wait till the morning. In the darkness you forget the sunshine. I know it's hard to see sometimes, but pain is just strength in disguise. I know you feel that the grass is greener, and seem your heart is broken. You don't know you're chosen. Give thanks to the Father. You are blessed daughter. Make you know that you're such a beauty. Through the concrete, I watch you grow. Real and truly, they would never want you to know that the answer, you possess much more than you know. Cause they can never come close, night and day. If you're dancing in the party with somebody, make sure they love you night and day.
Brother, I want to tell you, say, yo, them boys from the UK move like them want to take over the place, you know. Yeah, man, me and my youth see it, man, everything. I hear a girl in my chat right now.